Today what we're going to be doing is we have this mattress here, and it's not Casper, it's not Purple, anything like that. I'm not sponsored, no. I didn't get sponsorships. But today, guys, what we're going to be doing is the roll-up bed joint challenge. It has nothing to do with drugs, I promise. But basically, we have to try to roll this bed all the way here into, like, a cone. So that's what we're going to be trying to do. Darren actually bought his tripod, so his phone tripod. So we're not going to time-lapse this, because it won't be a good video. There's probably going to be 2 parts, because I have, like, no space on my phone. So there's probably going to be 2 parts to this. If the video randomly ends, I'm sorry. This is a warning. The video's probably going to end.
For me.
So I'm going to turn up my volume, or I can't actually do that.
Hey, guys.
So,
Got it. Hi,
So let's set up the tripod, and let's get to it. All right, guys, we just set up the camera. Hello. On the tripod. So let's get to it. Cody's sitting over there. Let's do this, guys. Woo! This is gonna be hard. So me and Darren are gonna be down here.
Rolling the joint, bitches.
So yeah, we're gonna be down here doing it.
I'm gonna be over here.
And Cody, don't mess with the camera. There we go.
Cody, let me check it.
Let's check it.
You're good.
Oh, it's perfect. You actually fixed it.
I'm gonna be.
But Cody's gonna be down
Over here.
while we row this. Let's get to it.
Actually,
Actually,
we roll this joint. Yeah, we gotta put some weed in the middle.
Do you want to actually get a green blanket and do that?
Yeah.
Oh my God, guys!
I got a green blanket.
So yeah, guys, it's there. We got our weed. Yes. This is the weirdest video I've ever made. I promise it has nothing to do with drugs.
Weed is a drug.
I promise.
I promise.
All right, let's go do this. Let's get right to it. All right, let's get to it. All right, you ready to roll this bed?
Give me a joint.
I'm
gonna be over here.
All right, let's go. Let's get a good one in, though. 3, 2, 1. All right, let's go. Ah!
Ah! Sorry.
This challenge is gonna be too hard. Dude, you know what's gonna happen? We're gonna finish this and find out it's not recording. That's gonna happen. We're gonna find out that the video stopped. The video. And then we're gonna be pissed.
Look at Darren.
Ah! This video is so hard to make. We were doing this off camera, and we said, let's make a video on this. It's done. We already did it, but it didn't come out good.
Go. This is
They're
never
doing Oh, it's going up. It's going down for real. Go, guys, it's coming out. Just push up from the bottom. Yes! Yes, we did it! It's not fully, actually. Yes! You are literally upside down. Oh, wait, no.
His butt is in my face.
Gotta keep it. Hold this here.
No!
Hold it at the corner.
Let's go!
We're gonna do this, guys! We gotta come into here. And we gotta fold it. That's perfect. Right here where we just folded it. Cody.
I don't look like his face, okay?
I think his face is.
I'll be right back, guys. I gotta be like.
Woo! Hey guys, we're back. We're back, and we figured out how to do this. So we get Cody at the end, and basically we gotta fold it the littlest bit with the littlest bit, and then roll it over, but both at the same time. All right, let's do this.
I just did all this time. Maybe it's for you.
Oh, I sit down. You did actually. All right, let's fold it. Okay, this is a perfect amount of folding, except you're flipping over, and that's not what we want. Okay, that's perfect, bro. But this time, don't flip over it, and then we mess it up. Yes, this is perfect for what you're doing. Now flip. Now roll. Oh, we're doing it, guys! Ah! Perfect noises.
Sorry.
I probably should have put a warning in the beginning.
Tickle, baby.
How's our marijuana doing?
What?
Stop it!
This is marijuana.
I got you. Marijuana got you. Oh, you guys can't even see what we're doing. Tell Cody, go turn the camera.
We're not
we actually have to roll this now. Because
We
we're
are
almost...
rolling it.
I can't do it by myself. Nothing. We probably know how to do this. Nice one, Cody. Right now, hold it up.
Oh!
Yeah, bro. Gang, gang.
Which gang?
All right, hold it, and then push it at the bottom. Push it at the bottom. Oh my God, it's working. That's almost done.
They
Watch
can't
your head
see
before
you.
I roll it into
They
the
can't
drum.
see you!
Oh, perfect. Now that all they can see
What
is
is
Darren's
he
freaking-
doing?
Uh-oh. Okay. Last seal. Yo, this is our gigantic pillow train.
Hello. This is our gigantic Twinkie.
Yep. Chugga chugga choo choo. Dude, that should be giant bed Twinkie joint thing.
Tyler, use
I'm
that.
gonna fall. Ow. That
You
hurt.
take it off, you take it off! No!
What are you doing?
Holy crap, these guys are pros! Get up! You have to redo that while we're on video.
Yo, that is so funny. That is funny, guys.
But it's still good.
We fixed it, bro. Yo, guys, let's get a thumbnail real quick, and we'll see you guys next time. Let's actually get a good thumbnail. Let's get a good outro. Come here, this outro.
Wait, Tyler, you have to come over here and then I'll go like this.
Yeah, okay. Alright, guys, that's been the video. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, drop a like down below.
I can't see.
If you did, see y'all in the next video. Peace out.